Welcome back to GAPROS, the new permit routing and optimization system. When ordering permits for multiple loads with the same origin and destination, whether they are the same size or not, functionality has been included in some permit types to quickly combine these permits into one master application. Here we're looking at the load entry screen for a single trip permit. Once the basic information has been entered for the first vehicle, you can rapidly duplicate the permit for a second vehicle of the same size by choosing the Add Power Unit option to the left. This will open an additional line to rapidly define another vehicle of the same description. In the case where the loads are of differing size or cargo but traveling the same route, you can utilize the Add Load option at the bottom left. This will open an additional section for defining the load type and dimensions. Once all vehicles making the same trip have been defined, click Next to continue. As with a single trip permit, you will now enter the origin and destination for the trip. Click Validate and Run to continue. The route will be determined using the maximum settings for the combination of vehicles. For instance, if one load is 10 foot wide but only 12 foot tall, and another load is 9 foot wide but 14 foot in height, the route would be determined as if the vehicles were 10 foot wide and 14 foot tall. While this will ensure that all vehicles are provided with the same route, there may be instances where some vehicles could have used an alternate route had they been submitted separately. If the route provided is acceptable, click Next to continue. Here you will see a summary of the permits being ordered and the associated fees. Click Submit to continue to payment options. Once again, payment can be made using an escrow account or a major credit card. Permits paid by credit card will have a $7 per permit convenience fee. Please note that when submitted, you will now have a separate permit ID for each vehicle. Now you can choose to order more permits or return to the company dashboard to monitor permit status. If you chose to have your permit faxed or emailed, it will be sent as soon as it has been approved. If you chose to download, use the refresh button on the dashboard to update status. Don't forget that the driver must sign and date the permit in order for it to be valid. Thanks for watching. This concludes this tutorial video. Don't forget that other videos are available for your convenience.